too much?
It's not all of it.
I can get my razor blade.
You gotta cut the whole thing off?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it all and see what I got.
Touch it, please?
It's really wet. I'm not cutting
What?
it out.
Mom, can I touch it?
Yeah.
Can I after him? Thanks.
Pull that, please.
Okay.
We won't.
Thanks, Mom. Ow.
That's all wet. Get off that screw.
Sorry, I slipped. Can I touch it?
Gentle. Alright, out of the way.
Okay. It just feels like wet ceiling. I thought I was gonna feel weirder.
It doesn't feel mushy?
No, it feels like wet ceiling that just droops in. I can't reach.
You gotta get up another step.
Still can't reach. Step on it.
Lacey, go up another step.
I'm scared because there's this standing.
Lacey, go up another step. You're fine.
There's that standing in front of me.
Make it down.
Can you get it? I want to touch it badly.
Hurry up.
Am I gonna hit my head on the ceiling?
No, you're a mile away. Would you just catch it and get down?
Ew.
Okay, get down.
I can't.